Everyone. We'll continue our previous discussion on route UI router, right? We saw how to define the states and how to use that for routing, correct? Now, UI router is having concept of the we can define like parent and child states, something like that. Okay. So right here what they have did, simply they have defined this state as app. Okay, and they are saying this state is abstract too. That means the state for which we say abstract is equal to true, we cannot use that state unless we use that along with some other child state. So right now here in app, the dashboard is the child state of app. Okay, app dot dashboard, that we to mention the syntax for child state, like we do the abstract state name dot our child state name app dot dashboard. Okay, so now what happens when we write something like this? Let's try. I'll show you. Okay, we need to modify our HTML to see how it works. What we'll do, we'll have the login page as their separate state. Okay, and we'll create one dashboard state as a abstract, and that state we can use for products and many other things that we want to include on dashboard. Okay, so for that let's do one thing in index. Okay, we have this h1 right here. Let's remove that from there and let's add it to the login. And welcome, or we'll just say login to mean app. Okay, now yeah, it's working, correct? So this gives us the ability to change this h1, right? If we add something here, we cannot change that from inside state, correct? So that's why I taken that h1 in the login itself. Now for all products, before all products, let's create our dashboard state. Okay, in dashboard we'll add the nav bar. Okay, I'm having code snippet for showing the navigation. Yeah, let me call this and right. Yes, in products, instead of product, let's go to app and create folder that is dashboard. Okay, in dashboard it will be dashboard.html. Okay, the what we do, like for index we added this UI view directive here to have placeholder of the state HTML, right? Similarly, let's suppose I'm going to have the state dashboard right here. Okay, let's close this. We don't want this. App.js. I'll create dashboard state, and the URL for that will be, actually the URL for abstract state is not really required. Okay, so dashboard. Okay, let us create dashboard controller first. We'll copy, paste here, and let's have that. Okay, let's include it's inside of dashboard. Okay, and for view, yes, we are good. We just want to say abstract is equal to true. We'll see what exactly abstract is. Okay, now for products I will make this product as a child. Okay, child of dashboard, so that will be dashboard dot products, and I want my URL same as products. That's fine, that doesn't matter. Okay, okay, now let's try to run. What happens, let's see, let's go to, yeah, products state is not available now, right? Because we have changed that. Mm, it is in login, so we created that in function, correct? So login ctrl, it will be dashboard dot products. Let's close this. Let's try could not resolve products. Still, why it's showing the still it is not updated. Right click, empty cache, hard reload. Empty cache will take more time. Let's just hard reload it. And in the meantime, for dashboard, I'll create here another div that says UI view. Okay, so the content of my products, okay, content of my products state, that will be placed right here, not in index UI view, not here, because here we are placing dashboard, and in dashboard the state is like dashboard dot product. So HTML of uh, products will be placed in this UI view. Okay, this is what we call it as nested views, correct? Now let's try. No, it's still giving could not resolve products from state login. Go to product. I guess we don't change. Yeah, it's there. Is it the right file that we are looking at? Let's console something. Redirecting to the dashboard, and again we might be dashboard controller. Let's change here. Yeah, this is the problem. So that should be dashboard control, and we don't want anything. Okay, console.log dashboard controller executed. Okay, now dashboard controller executed, correct? So even though this HTML that I added in dashboard, okay, right here, this is my content of dashboard that is shown here, then UI view, that's why the products, the view of products state is added right here, so it's looking like this, correct? Yeah. And now we'll need to make many more changes, correct? Because we changed the way we were using, we need to change all states. This dashboard I want on every view, so that's why we'll make that as a parent to all. Why I'm doing this, let's suppose this is my something important stuff and I'm doing lots of operation right here or in this place, and I want that view or the functionality of this section on every pages, right? So to avoid the duplication in all views, I created that view as a, that state as a parent, right? And in console we saw, even though we are going to the products, automatically it runs the dashboard controller as well. Okay, so by using dashboard controller, we can manipulate this view. Okay, let's just add something from dashboard view. Yeah, right here, scope dot time. Okay, let's get the current time. Current JavaScript. Okay, okay, new console log. Yeah, we'll copy this. Instead of console log, we'll assign this value to the this time variable, right? Current time. Okay, and we'll print that time in our dashboard view right here in, I don't know how this will look, but let's try and add. Okay, and I'll put this as current time. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's there, but it's not looking good, right? Maybe what we can do, this is container fluid, this is my UL. Yeah, after UL let's try to add, let's see. Yes, it's there. Okay, okay, now okay, that's fine. So I'm taking this explicitly, I'm not running the state of dashboard, I'm going to the products, right? I'm going to the products. Still that dashboard controller runs automatically because the products parent state is dashboard, right? I get the updated time every time when I refresh the page, correct? Now let's just add the links for this. For products, what we can do, instead of href, now we can use ui sref is equal to, yeah, dashboard dot products. Let's see. Yeah, it's working, right? For dashboard we didn't give any, we don't have as such dashboard, right? Okay. Okay, let's try, and let's remove this abstract is equal to true, and now let's try with this URL. No, it's not working, right? Why? Maybe because of this. It should work, right? Maybe there is some problem. Our code is not getting refreshed, right? Maybe. Dashboard products, sorry. mm, we can directly test. No. Why it's not working? mm, in app.js, let's change that login button to the dashboard. Let's see. Instead of ng click, I'll copy and I'll make this UI sref is equals to dashboard. Okay, and yeah, dashboard controller executed, and also we can see the dashboard contents, right? mm, why it's not working from URL when we hit, right? The login is working right here, refresh even works, right? And when I do hit that, I guess something we changed, or we made few Let's see, we don't have, let's suppose. Mhm. Now it's working.
Extra slash.
Hmm?
There might be a problem with the slash.
This
No, take over the last one.
we don't have otherwise now, right?
Yes. The extra slash at the end. We are passing the wrong state name.
URL.
URL.
Yeah, okay, that's good to know that in URL we are saying the URL will be the dashboard slash dashboard, not again slash, and it's not matching. So that's why it was not working and that wasted our 10 minutes, right?
Yes.
Okay, so if state is not abstract, then we can access that from the URL. Okay, but if it is abstract, then you need any other child state, right? For now we want it as a abstract one. Okay, so let's go ahead. Mm-hmm. Okay, we need to change this login. Now let's see if it works. We remove that from here as well. Okay, yeah, we can see products. We can have the logout button as well, so that will look good, right? And let's just redirect them to the login page. UISref is equals to login. Okay, users is not defined, the products is there, the dashboard. We don't have anything to show at the dashboard. So what we can do, instead of saying dashboard, we will say home, and let's just create one more state for home. Okay. mm, Dashboard dot home, and URL will be the home, here will be the home, and here will be the home. Okay. Okay, this is not going to be the abstract. Okay, let's just create so home.html and home ctrl, right? And add something right here. Welcome to the welcome to mean app, right? Welcome to mean app example in h1. Yeah, cool. Okay, fine. So home controller, let's define the name home.ctrl. We want to, okay, an index, change the, add that controller, home controller. Okay, so now We never changed the link. It should be UI sref is equals to state name, that is home. And now let's try again. Could not resolve the home state from dashboard. Why it's saying like this? Huh? In app.js we have the state should be dashboard dot, yeah, dashboard dot home. I guess our tutorials are like learn AngularJS mean stack by doing the mistakes, right? We do lots of mistake and we, yeah. So it's good to make mistakes so that we can remember those. Yeah. So on home, welcome to mean stack mean app example. On products, I can see this. On logout, I'm going here, then I'm coming here. Now we have pretty like HTML is ready, and we are doing good stuff with our UI router, correct?
Yes.
Uh, we will need to change these links. This is not going to work, right?
Yeah.
The ad is not working because let's just change those quickly. For ad, now that comes in all products HTML. For ad right now it was this, now it is this, right?
Yes. Yes.
And for edit product,
Scared.
that is like this. And for delete it is a function.
They are also product dot edit
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now let's go to add controller and edit controller, and maybe all I don't think. Okay, so here what we need to do, mm, yeah, state.go, it should be dashboard dot products, right? The same thing here as well when we do update, right?
Yes.
mm, Now we should be pretty good. Let's go ahead and check. Let me add product. Yeah, document added successfully. Yeah, this was added. Let's delete that. Document deleted successfully. Now edit is not working. Dashboard.edit from state. Um,
We never check it. Edit control.
could not resolve dashboard.edit product. Let's see in app.js. Could not resolve, that means we didn't define that. Yeah, right.
Yes.
Yes, mistakes. Yeah, document added, updated. Yes, pretty